We're going to
Thank you for coming out. Enjoy the rest of the evening here.
Greetings, Earthlings. How are you today? What are we doing here? Drugs? Yeah. By a show of hands, who's been stuck in a K-hole? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, for sure. Dark place, huh? Drugs? I like them. Perk 30s, Demerol, Vicodin, Roxy's, OxyContin, anything with the substrate content, I'm in, right? True story. Went to a party last week, and I met a girl named Molly. And she gave me Molly. The only problem is, her name wasn't Molly. Get this, the drug wasn't Molly. That is true. Well, it happens, you know. Here's the true story. I like the drug MDMA, the band, and the drug. Or is it MGMT? You tell me. Right down the street, you can get an all-you-can-eat shrimp buffet for $12.99. You tell me how they're making money on that. You know how expensive shrimp are? I'm actually not from here. From Uranus. No, the planet. God, I miss Miami in the 80s. You can get cocaine and herpes in the same night. Yeah? You remember that, right? Guys, anyway, I'd love to stay, but I'm on parole, so Dante McGovern, out.